And yeah, I opened it just a little bit. So we are going to do a little unboxing video. I don't know why we have a knife here, but I think this was from our last video. It's basically you put this in your computer, and for those who have the newer MacBooks, you can basically put this in your computer or your phone, and you can actually put the SD card right inside here. Or if you have a flash drive or a hard drive that you need to put onto your computer. So it's the USB-C travel dock, OWC. The specifications is Gen 1 Type A, Type C capable 60 watts, SD card reader, HDMI. Yes, you can use this for HDMI hookup as well. So if you are needing to hook up an HDMI from your TV into your computer, I would definitely recommend this. This is the next best thing, especially if you have a new MacBook. This is definitely a must-have. Or if you want to hook this up to your phone and you want to slide that SD card, if you're traveling and you don't really like traveling with your computer, but you want to travel with your phone or your new iPad, you can hook this up right to that, because the longer you have that lightning cable into your phone, and then you just hook it up that way, which is kind of nice. So let's get this unboxing. The OWC USB-C travel dock. I actually unboxed this already, and then we wrapped it in. Yes, there's a little stand. So this is what it is. You take this out. So, and that is pretty much it for this video. So if you are looking for anything to travel with you overseas or anywhere in the whole entire country, check this out. It's called the OWC USB-C travel dock. It is where you can use this with Mac and PC, and you can use it with your HDMI cable hookup and USB, and there's two USB ports too. There's two USB ports and HDMI and SD card and your phone hookup, which is really nice. So check this out. It is available now on their website. I will link to the website below. The OWC is what it is. It's a dock. Now with dock ejector. Download now. Okay, so I have to download dock ejector. I hope that's an app. So anyway, and you can take your SD card, you slide that in, and it hooks you right up. It's that simple. It's really simple. Really simple. And yeah, check this out, and yeah. Make sure you hit that subscribe button up there. Make sure you follow me on it at 75 in the